Hello, very good morning to all of you, dear. Welcome back. Very warmly welcome to all of you. From the today, in our previous classes, we had started tenses, we had started grammatical exercises. But today, from the today, we'll see the remaining chapters. Okay, that we left before exam. So let's start a lesson. Okay, so firstly, we are going to start Golu grows nose. Okay, Golu grows nose. So it is a story of baby elephant. Okay, story of baby elephant. The baby elephant was a naughty one. Okay, and he had many questions to ask. He was very curious to know about many things. Okay, so we'll talk about an eager, okay, a keen elephant, a baby elephant. Okay, and the name was Golu. Okay, so in this story, we'll see how elephant got its trunk. Okay, the story shows how elephant got its trunk. Okay, so long ago, if we talk about ancient times, so long ago, elephant had a big nose. Okay, instead of trunk. Elephant had a big nose instead of trunk. Okay, so there was an elephant, Golu. Okay, a child elephant, a baby elephant, and he had many questions. He was curious to know many things. Okay, he was excited to know many things. So we'll talk about a curious baby elephant, Golu. Okay, so what the story show? The story shows how elephant got their trunk. Is how elephant got its trunk. Okay, so before elephant had not their trunk. Okay, the trunk is very special. Thousand of muscle we can find out in elephant's trunk. So elephant has had a nose only instead of big trunk. Okay, so how elephant had got their trunk, we'll see in this story. So Golu was excited to know many questions. Okay, he asked many questions to many animals. Okay, in the forest, he had many questions. So suppose the question like, that's why he was called naughty, because no one could give answer to his question. Okay, so first he asked to ostrich, a big bird. Okay, but ostrich cannot fly. So he asked ostrich, okay, why you couldn't fly? Why you couldn't fly? Okay, why you cannot fly? Okay, you are a bird. Huh? You are a bird, so bird must fly. Okay, all the birds fly, but why you couldn't fly? And you are a big bird. You are largest bird, but why you couldn't fly? Okay, so then he asked to giraffe. Okay, he went to giraffe. He asked, we have seen on giraffe's skin, on giraffe's body, many spots. So he asked giraffe, okay, why you have many spots on your body? Why you have many spots on your body? Okay, so they are unable to give answer. Okay, they are not capable of giving answer of Golu's question. Okay, that's why they call Golu naughty. Okay, so then after giraffe, first he went to ostrich. Okay, ask about its flying. Okay, ask about its unableness for flying. Okay, then he went to giraffe. He asked about spots on giraffe's body. Okay, then where? There he went to hippopotamus. He went to hippopotamus. Okay. So he asked a hippo, why your eyes were red? Okay. Why your eyes are red? He asked about the redness of hippopotamus eyes. Okay. So they were totally unable to give answer. Okay. Then he went to watermelon. Okay. And asked about its test. Ask about watermelon's test. So that's why he's called a naughty, okay, a naughty elephant, because no one could reply his answers. Okay, animal failed to give answer. Okay, all the animals failed to give answer, and they call baby elephant naughty one. Okay, then once he went to Mena, flying bird. He went to Mena and asked about crocodile's dinner. What crocodile has, okay, in its dinner. So he asked about crocodile's dinner. Okay, means he asked what crocodile will have, okay, in its dinner. Okay, he asked about crocodile's dinner or dine. Okay, so Mena also didn't reply, and Mena suggests to elephant, you must go to, if you want your answer, what crocodile has, okay, in its dinner or dine. So that's why you must go, for knowing it, you must go to Limpopo River, grassy river. Okay, Limpopo River, you must go to Limpopo River, and from there you can meet crocodile and you can ask your question. Okay, from there you can get your questions answer. Okay, so you must go to Limpopo. So Mena told to go to Limpopo River for asking the answer. Okay, so then Golu, now baby elephant Golu was very curious to know about crocodile because he didn't see crocodile. Okay, he have not he have not seen, okay, crocodile ever. Okay, so that's why he has to go. So then he collected his eating things like banana, sugar cane. Okay, and he went to Limpopo River. He started journey for Limpopo. He started traveling to Limpopo. So in his way he met a python also. The python was coiled, okay, in a bow. Okay, so he asked python, okay, have you ever seen crocodile, and do you know about crocodile's dinner? Okay, what crocodile have in dinner, what crocodiles have in dinner, do you know about that? Python didn't tell anything, but the python was uncoiled. And so then Golu had to go Limpopo River for knowing his answer. So he walked to Limpopo River, but the python was chasing. Okay, python was chasing Golu. Okay, so then he went to at the bank of a river. Okay, there was a grassy land. Okay, and where he had seen a wood of log, a log wood. Okay, a log of wood. He saw a log of wood structure. Like, okay, and he didn't know crocodile before, so he asked a log of wood structure. Okay, have you seen crocodile? Okay, do you know crocodile? Okay, so the structure replied, okay, the structure was a log of wood. The structure looking like a log of wood was crocodile. Okay, it was crocodile. So he replied, I am crocodile indeed. Okay, I am crocodile indeed, my dear. Okay, I am crocodile indeed. So then he asked, okay, if you are crocodile, tell me about your dinner. What you have in dinner? Okay, what you have in your dinner? Okay, so tell me about your dinner. What you have in dinner? So then the crocodile was cunning. Okay, he wanted to eat the baby elephant. That's why he played a trick. Okay, he thought to call elephant near. Okay, and then just drag the elephant into the river. Okay, so he thought like that. So then he replied, my dear, you wanted to know about my dinner, so you first come closer to me. Okay, then I will whisper in your ear. I will whisper in your ear. You must come to me. You must come closer to me. Okay, so Golu was not naughty. Okay, but baby elephant. Okay, so he was curious to know about crocodile's dinner. Okay, uh, he is keen to know about that. So he walked closer to crocodile. Okay, crocodile was in water, so he just came closer to water bodies, but the python was chasing still. Python was behind the uh, baby elephant. Okay, so when he came more closer or nearer to crocodile. Okay, just crocodile caught Golu's nose. Okay, crocodile caught Golu's nose. It's important, my dear, to know that in this story we wanted to know how elephant got their nose, how elephant got their trunk instead of nose, because it was they had elephant had a nose, okay, instead of trunk. So how their nose turned to their trunk, okay, we'll see in the story. So then what happened? Then his trunk was caught by crocodile. Okay, his trunk was caught by crocodile, and crocodile hardly, okay, picking and hardly dragging, okay, and pulling. Crocodile started pulling Golu's nose. Okay, and then what happened? Golu was just going nearby the water bodies. So then Python, okay, Python just coiled Python coiled a tree. Python coiled a branch of tree. Okay, a bough of tree, and he one side of Python just coiled to the tree and uh, started side. Okay, and first side, as he just coiled himself. Python coiled himself to um, Golu's stomach. Okay, Golu's stomach. So to both side, okay, started pulling and pushing. So pulling, both sides started pulling, okay, one side, because crocodile caught Golu's nose, so crocodile was pulling towards water, okay, towards water for eating baby elephant, and python was pulling towards towards land. Python was pulling out Golu, okay, so that's why python coiled half of the body of python coiled Golu's stomach and half of the body coiled to bow. Okay. So then Golu was also forcing towards out. Golu was also he was elephant. Okay. So that's why he was also just pulling himself out. Okay. So in this activity, in this process, finally, okay, Golu went out. Okay, Golu went out to water. Golu went out to bank. Okay, finally, the python and Golu, okay, puts both put pressure, okay, towards out. Okay, and finally he came out. Okay, so in this activity, because the crocodile caught Golu's nose. So now Golu's nose turned to 5 feet. Okay. Okay. It nose extended up to 5 feet. Okay. Golu's nose extends 5 feet. Okay. So now he has a big nose. Okay. So the nose is called trunk. Okay. Now his nose turned to 5 feet long. Okay. Trunk. So like that he had got trunk, like that elephant has got their trunk. So then still there was pain in its trunk. Okay, so he wrap banana leaf on nose. Okay, and he kept the nose with banana leaf into the water for 2 days. Okay, then he had relaxed. Okay, then he had relaxed. Okay, the pain was reduced, but but his nose couldn't shrink. Okay, his nose, now the nose extends 5 feet, up to 5 feet, so it couldn't shrink. Okay, and it gave many advantages to Golu. Okay, once there was what name, fly. Okay, house fly or butterfly, like that, just set on Golu's body. So Golu used his trunk to remove the fly. Okay, and now he can splash the muddy water. Okay, from his back. Okay, and now he can pick easily tender leaves. He can pick banana. He can pick Golu can pick banana or sugar cane. Okay, in its trunk. So now the python just stated that your trunk is very beneficial for you. Okay, and now he has trunk up to 5 feet. Okay, it extends 5 feet. So that's why the story tells how elephant has got their trunk. Okay, before they had nose, but after this incident, okay, when crocodile caught Golu's nose, okay, elephant could get their trunk. Okay, so the trunk gave, okay, Golu's trunk gave him various advantages. Okay, in picking banana, in picking tender leaves, okay, in picking sugarcane, and for splashing mud from his back, okay, and for removing flies, okay, from its back, like that. So it was the story, and finally, then he went to his house. He was happy to be. He was happy to have a trunk. Its trunk. Okay. So it was the story. We'll see question answer in next video. Thank you.